How to get pets on Among Us. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get pets in Among Us. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, make sure that you have the Among Us app and you're logged in into your account. So you can now open up your Among Us and right there you will see the shop option. Head over to shop and on the top you will see different sections here. You can head over to this option that looks like a dog. Now that is the pets section. Now if you just want to get this, you can easily buy this by buying, just tapping on the one that you like and using the cosmic cubes, and you can get it. It's that simple. Now if you don't have this red beans, you can keep on playing the game and you will earn it. Yeah, that is basically how you do it. And if you guys didn't know, pets are in Among Us are just little companions for your Among Us character. They don't really add anything as far as the core gameplay goes. So yeah, you can easily get your pets from here, and yeah, that is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.